We're in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. You can see we do have elevations. The way this was developed years ago, all the water runs into this yard here, and we're contracted by the homeowner. This was designed to where all this water, this is built up here, and this yard is just softly, has a soft bow to it. So see, look, we have slope two different directions. So we have nice fall this way, slope this way, and slope this way. Okay, so I'm explaining this for two reasons. One, I'm maximizing the amount of slope that we can get for a velocity and to move a lot of water. Now, I've seen the plans from years ago that are on record. The water was supposed to go through here between these two houses and out to the street over there. Unfortunately, landscapers years ago built these berms for privacy, and I think that was just a thing for a long time to put, you know, these berms in the corners. And this also creates like a lake here. The water can't find its way out of here at all. Right there, that's going to be a grate, an iron grate, so bulk water can just go right into our lift station. Now I want to maximize the slope. We have this and we have this. So we have 300 feet of French drain here. You can see we have the main that goes all the way, kitty corner, and then these branches. We're going to catch all the water. We're going to move a lot of water. What the homeowner has described to me is white water. So I hope that the homeowner comes out during some of these torrential rain events, and I'd love to see this thing work. I live too far away from Bloomfield Hills, Michigan to come out here during a rain, but I believe this homeowner, he's one of these gentlemen. I believe he'll actually stand out in the rain for us. So hopefully we'll get to see this in action this fall. So we're going to be running our discharge out to the front. Oh, we got a machine down too, so these things happen. We were running the auger, a 36-inch auger, so that we could drop in that vertical lift station, and we blew a hydraulic line. So we gotta, this thing's gotta see a repair to get it back up and running. But you know what? We're not going to let that slow us down. So that's why we run with two minis. We have the other mini to run dirt out of here and run stone back. We have our mobile mechanic coming to help us out, and Scott and the guys are enjoying working under the shade tree. So, all right, guys, I will get back to you as this job progresses. We're not going to do two jobs today. This job's going to be the job for today, with 300 feet of French drain and 140 feet of discharge, and we got to run a trench for the electrician. You know, it's a pretty good sized job. Keep us busy for today. All right, here's one of our systems. We're going through a thaw right now, so I just wanted to so that's all just from the snow melting. That half-horse Liberty just turned on. Okay, so what happened here, all these neighboring properties shed their water right here on this lot. And then landscape was installed, which resulted in a damming effect. so that the water couldn't naturally run like it was designed to decades ago. Now that's the cone, we call it the cone, the AKA cone, 4x4, SDR to corrugated. And then we use one of those compression seals so that dirt, because if you don't put a compression seal here, you just cut a hole, what happens, dirt will slowly fall into the sump. It doesn't hurt the sump pump because it's going to be able to take that dirt and inject it no problem. But then you end up with this erosion, and it gets hollow next to your outdoor sump pump basin. So that's why those rubber seals are so important. You see that we put them in for everything. So this is a big 24-inch diameter, 5 foot deep. This is a vertical. And still, there's just so much water running here. I mean, this is endless. This is non-stop. What you see here is non-stop. This is one of our more active systems. And I just thought I'd get out here to show you guys. You guys love seeing our systems in action. Now, we have the main going from corner to corner of this yard, and then like a fish bone, we have some branches off the main. And look at how good it works. Look at all the water it's grabbing. And it's not raining, it's just the snow is melting. That is it. This is all snow melt. Don't underestimate snow melt. Now, the homeowner, I recommended putting one of those hollow mock rocks, fake rocks. For now, he just put a bag over the electric outlet. It does have a protective cover and everything, but I love that extra wall of defense when you're dealing with your drainage of any kind. You want the drainage system working properly, you need power to it. See how clean that is? Because there's no dirt in the system anymore. Once the stone got washed during the first rain or two, those sediments will go right through the big inlets of high octane. I know you guys would love for me to sit here all day long, right? Just watching water run. You guys are drainage nerds. I think you're worse than me. All right, man. Well, I'll keep showing you guys proof. You guys want results. I got results. Thousands and thousands and thousands of systems. All right, guys. Until that next video.